Hi friends, lecture number 4, theorem. Prove that necessary and sufficient condition for a curve to be a geodesic is u into del t by del v dot minus v of del t by del u dash is equal to 0. मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघितलं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ जिओडेसिक. सो प्रूव्ह करायचं आपल्याला दोन पार्टमध्ये, नेसेसरी कंडिशन and sufficient condition for the curve to be the geodesic is u of del t by del v dash minus v of del t by del u dash is equal to 0. Proof. We know that the equation of geodesic are, आपण मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये बघितलं डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ geodesic equation. So this is a geodesic equation. U is equal to t by dt into del t by del u dot minus del t by del u is equal to 1 upon 2t into del t by del u dash into dt by dt, and again v is equal to d by dt into del t by del v dot minus del t by del v is equal to 1 upon 2t into del t by del v dash into dt by dt. याला आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 1 देऊन देऊ, where t is equal to 1 upon 2 into e u dot square plus 2f u dot v dot plus g v dot square. This is a metric equation. This metric equation. So u upon v is equal to del t by del u dash upon del t by del v dash. So this is a cross multiplication. So u into del t by del v dash minus v into del t by del u dash is equal to 0. So this is a proof. This is a necessary condition for a curve to the geodesic. This is a necessary condition for the curve to the geodesic equation. Now for the sufficient condition, let the equation first satisfying by the curve having parametric equation u of t and v of t, whose first derivation don't vanish simultaneously at any point. Partially derivative del t by del u dash and del t by del v dash cannot vanish together. So equation 1 implies, equation 1 काय आपलं u of del t by del v dash minus v of del t by del u dash. So u of del t by del v dash is equal to v of del t by del u dash. So equation 1, u into del t by del v dash is equal to v of del t by del u dash. So u of del t by del v dash cross multiply. This is a left hand side, so right hand side. So u of del t by del u dash is equal to v of v by del t by del v dash is equal to theta. Say therefore u is equal to theta del t by del u dash and v is equal to theta del t by del v dash for some theta. इथे काय केलं आपण, u is equal to theta del t by del u dash and v is equal to theta del t by del v dash for some theta. To find a theta, आपण theta find out करू. We have u dot into u plus v dot into v is equal to u dot into u. U means value of equation of जिओडेसिक u ची व्हॅल्यू आहे u इज इक्वल टू u डॉट इंटू u ची व्हॅल्यू आहे इक्वेशन ऑफ जिओडेसिक. सो ब्रॅकेट 1/2t इंटू डेल टी बाय डेल यू डॅश इंटू dt बाय dt प्लस v डॉट इंटू v ची व्हॅल्यू काय कशावर लिहिलं आपण इक्वेशन ऑफ जिओडेसिक. सो 1/2t इंटू डेल टी बाय डेल v डॅश इंटू dt बाय dt इज इक्वल टू u डॉट इंटू 1/2t इंटू डेल टी बाय डेल यू डॅश इंटू dt बाय dt प्लस v डॅश इंटू 1/2t इंटू डेल टी बाय डेल v डॅश इंटू dt बाय dt. सो इज इक्वल टू 1/2t dt by dt 1/2t dt by dt 1/2t dt by dt. This term is common. 1/2t dt by dt u dot into del t by del u dot plus v dot into del t by del v dot. So is equal to 1/2t as it is, del t by del dt by del dt as it is. So u dot del t by del u dot plus v dot del t by del v dot is equal to 2t. So this term is equal to 2t. So 2t get cancel is equal to dt by dt. So u dot into u plus v dot into v is equal to dt by dt. Now dt by dt is equal to u dot u plus v dot v is equal to u dot. So u, this is value u is equal to theta del t by del u dot plus v dot v, this is a value v dot, this is value v is equal to theta del t by del v dot is equal to theta is get common, this is a two term, theta get common. So u dot del t by del u dot plus v dot del t by del v dot is equal to theta. Again this term u dot del t by del u dot plus v dot del t by del v dot is equal to 2t. So dt by dt is equal to theta into 2t. So theta get left hand side is equal to 1/2t into dt by dt. Hence u is equal to theta del t by del u dot and v is equal to theta del t by del u dot. So u is equal to, put this value theta, so 1/2t into del t by del u dot into dt by dt, and v is equal to, put this value theta 1/2 del t by del v dot into dt by dt, which are the geodesic equation. Hence u of t, v of t is a point on a geodesic of surface, which is a sufficient condition which prove this theorem. Next example बघू. Prove that the curve of the family u cube upon u square is equal to constant are geodesic on a surface with the metric v square into du square minus 2uv du dv plus 2u square dv square u greater than 0 v greater than 0. Solution. First आपण प्रूव करू u cube by u square is equal to constant. Solution. U cube upon u square is equal to c is a geodesic at any point on a surface. So u into del t by del v dash minus v into del t by del u dash is equal to 0. So equation of the geodesic u del t by del v dash minus v del t by del u dash is equal to 0. याला equation number 1 दिलं. Choosing the parametric representation of the curve is u is equal to ct cube comma v is equal to ct square, u dot is equal to 3ct square comma v dash is equal to 2ct. So v cube upon u square is equal to c square. So v is equal to t. So t cube upon u is equal to c. So u is equal to c t cube. This is term of u. From the given metric we define t. So given metric we define t. So t is equal to 1 by 2 into v square into u dot square minus 2 u v u dot into v dot plus 2 u square v square. So del t by del u. So this equation 1 by 2 v square u dot square minus 2 u v u dot v dot plus 2 u v square v square. So partially derivative with respect to u, this term. So del t by del u is equal to 1 by 2. So this term is partially differentiate. So 1 by 2 bracket minus 2 v u dot v dot plus 4, this term is differentiate 4 u v dot square. So is equal to 2 get cancel, and again 2 into 2 get cancel, 2 into 2 4. So minus v u dot v dot, इथे काय उरलं मग मायनस v u dot v dot प्लस 2 u v dot square. 2 2 जा 4. So get it 2 राहिला. So 2 u v dot square. So put this in value. U is equal to ct cube, v dot is equal to 2ct, and u is equal to ct cube and v dot is equal to 2ct, and u dot is equal to 3ct. This value in equation put. So del t by del u is equal to 2c cube t to the power 5. Now again this equation differentiate with u dot. So is equal to 2 v square u dot minus u v v dot is equal to, so again put value u dot u, put the in value u dot square v and v dot. This is equal to 2c cube t to the power 6. Similarly del t by del v is equal to v u dot square minus u dot v dot. So put this value, u dot means ct cube and u means u dot means 3ct cube and u means 3t cube, and v dot means 2ct and v means ct cube. So is equal to 3c cube t to the power 6. And again similarly del t by del v dash is equal to minus u v u dash plus 2 u square v dot is equal to 3 cube t to the power 7. So u is equal to d by dt into c cube t to the power 6 minus 2 c cube t to the power 5. So geodesic equation. So u is equal to d by dt and del t by del v dash c cube t to the power 6 minus del t by del u dash 2 c cube t to the power 5. So u is equal to, differentiate this term, 4 c cube t to the power 5. Similarly, v is equal to d by dt into c cube t to the power 7 minus 3 c cube t to the power 6. Differentiate this term. So 4 c cube t to the power 6. Hence u into del t by del v dash minus v into del t by del u dash is equal to, put this value, so u is equal to 4 c cube t to the power 5 into del t by del v dash, del t by del u dash, this value c cube t to the power 7 minus v, this value 4 c cube t to the power 6 into del t by del u dash, del t by del u dash 2 c cube t to the power 6 is equal to 4 c cube t to the power 12 minus 4 c cube t to the power 12. So this minus plus term is cancelled, so is equal to 0. The curve v cube upon u square is equal to c is a geodesic on the surface for all value, hence proof.